releases, right?
Yeah.
So is that release is being asked to you to do the performance testing? Like, is that how they work, or like
Yes, yes.
what kind of
So,
requirement do they have? Okay.
yeah, recently I have a deadline, let's say in coming
Mm-hmm,
2 weeks,
mm-hmm,
the production code will go live.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Before that, I have to test. So
mm-hmm.
the
Okay.
Epic will start, the developer will start doing their work,
Mm-hmm.
etc. And then I
Okay.
get it. In the meantime, I do some functional things.
Mm-hmm,
Let's say there are previous to production like environments, there are
mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
like SIT, UAT. So that is kind of environments. I do some functional,
mm-hmm.
and then
Okay.
understand the HLD, like what they have guessed,
Mm-hmm,
because their
mm-hmm.
requirement is very vague.
Right, right. I understand. Okay.
One liner requirement is there.
Mm-hmm.
From that, I have to create some test cases, test design,
Got it. Got it.
and then I understand. And then at the end of the day, uh,
Mhm.
thing is, they don't give NFR in very details,
Right,
but they
right.
want the report in very detail.
Ah, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. I
Yeah,
understand. Okay. So, yeah, see, just to be honest, we can't expect the team to give us the complete knowledge on what is happening, and the reason behind that is because they lack the level of knowledge that we have in terms of approaching how to look at each and every requirement, how to look at each and every module. Right. See, uh,
yeah, correct.
just to differentiate, because when you were in automation testing, you would not really know what to do. I mean, what the performance testers are doing, right? So
Yeah,
just to give
correct.
you a gist of it. So just understand what will the developers think, or what will the business analysts think, or what will be the scrum master, or what will be the other people think. So just to tell you, the objectives will change. Even the functional testing and the non-functional testers would have a different kind of objectives, right? So
Yeah,
that's how
sure.
we have to I mean, like, we have to make sure that, okay, let's stand in their shoes, and then we have to understand, okay, so this is their perspective of how we are going to approach the application, and then we have to bring in what are all the things that we know, and then we have to bring them to the same page. So for that, yes, we need
Yeah,
some practice to follow. That's what we normally call it as a performance engineering practice. Yes, we have to do that, and by doing it like for 4 or 5 times, then they will easily understand, okay, so this is the thing, or else you can create a kind of a template thing. That's what we normally do it. Bring a template, ask them
yeah,
to fill that, and then it'll be easy for them and for us to be on the same page, right? They will tell us like, oh, these are the pages which I want to which I have to test, and
yeah,
this is the SLA which I wanted to have, and this is the
yeah,
environment which I wanted to test. So all those requirements will be drafted, and if in case
yeah.
if they were not able to bring it, then we can have a kind of a discussion with them, have a catch up with them, and then we can get all those requirements.
Yeah, no, true. We have created intake form.
Hmm, hmm.
So we get in touch with the PO,
Okay.
understand their requirement,
Hmm,
and then we fill it that form, asking them whether this
hmm,
is
hmm.
correct or not. But
Okay.
the thing is, if something breaks now,
Hmm.
then they throw stones at us, because
Okay.
there are
Okay.
10 points. Out of the
Okay.
10 points, if you tested 8 points and you
Uh-huh,
missed
uh-huh.
2 points,
Okay.
and because of that 2 points, the system is failing, they
Hmm,
will
hmm, hmm.
pinpoint you, saying
Okay.
those 2 points you have not tested. And
Okay.
they,
Okay.
at the beginning, they have not discussed
Hmm,
also.
hmm, hmm. Right. Right.
That is what the blame game starts.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I can
Because of
understand it.
this, we have missed 2, 3
Hmm, hmm.
CRs.
Okay.
They didn't
Okay.
go to production.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
On the right time. Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
yeah,
Yeah. Again, see. So in that case, actually, we have to close the gaps. When I say closing the gaps, we have to be always ready by the time. See, for example, when they are planning the releases or something, right? So they normally what they'll do is like they'll give us some time, but obviously I can understand the performance testing will get the least amount of time. So what we have to do is like we have to actually uh, uh, make effective use the time they release it to the stage or to the other environments, because we have to create the script by the time we get into our window. So the time the scripts will be ready, and we will start the testing, so that we have enough amount of time for testing and for analysis as well. Because yeah,
yeah,
script
yeah.
creation and testing is will not take too much of time, but the analysis we need too much of time, so that, like you said, we can actually fix the issues, like you're saying, right, the gaps thing. So
But
those issues can be
yeah, yeah.
actually closed. Yeah.
Most of the time of me, with my colleague is going into the gathering the test data.
Okay.
Maybe our own system works like that way. I don't know
Mm,
if it
mm.
is generic, but
Okay. Okay.
the testing actual, let's say, APIs
Mhm,
in Neoload, that is, let's say, 15-20 minutes job. I
mhm.
do ramp up or etc. etc. I do that.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
not a problem.
Mhm.
Preparation of the test case is what very much time consuming.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that case, just plan for automation part because you can, anyways, it sits on the application. So either you can create the test data via the databases from the backend, or you can do the database test data creation via your application. So that will actually save you a lot of time.
Yeah, yeah, we are doing that.
Mm,
We do the data now. Recently, I'm working on 5 tickets.
Okay.
Few are linked to each other, few are not.
Okay.
But yeah, anyways, I'm now on the path.
Mm, mm.
My car I can drive at 20 kilometers per hour, but uh,
Okay.
I need some progress there. So that
Sure.
is why
Sure.
I'm in touch with you.
Sure. Definitely. Definitely.
And
Yeah.
thank you very much for giving us your time, because
Not a
these days nobody cares.
problem. No problem. No problem. Anyways, it's all like doing sharing is always good. So yeah,
Yeah,
Mano, you're
yeah.
raising
Thank
your
you.
hand for a long time. Is there anything you have to add, Mano? Mano, I could see your hand is raised. Niranjan, yeah, I could see your
Yes,
hand.
Vasan, can I
Yeah,
share
Niranjan,
my
yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah,
Yes, yes, yeah.
yeah, Niranjan, is there anything you have to add? You're looking to add?
Are
Hello.
you able to see my screen, Vasan, sir?
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Yeah, I can see now. Okay, okay, you're the guy
Yeah.
who is getting that issue, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, guys, let's see. Okay, can you just go to the HTTP header manager under the 15th one, under the 15, and the
Head
enter the
manager, eh?
page, enter the page. Yeah, yeah. Just the first request. That's the first request. Go to the first. No, no. Okay. Not here. But can you go to the view results tree?
Ah,
The
yes,
view
sir.
results
Ah,
tree. Yep. And can you go to the request? Request on the right side. Yep. And can you click on the 15, the minus 15th one? Yep. Okay. So you are running a http petstore.octoperf.com. It's catalog action. Okay. And can you go to the response data? The plain HTTP request was sent to HTTPS port. Okay. Yeah. Can you come to the request now? I think it is supposed to be HTTPS. Let me just check the URL. Moment. Did you create? Okay. Okay. I think. Okay. Can you go back to your request on the right side? Sorry, the left side. The left side.
yes, yes,
Click
sir.
on 15. 15.
HTTP
15.
15. Oh, okay.
Yep. And okay. So where did you set up this server name? That $P server name. Where did you get that?
Yeah, user defined variable.
Okay. And no, no, just a moment. I can see you're raising your hand. Just a moment. We'll just fix this up. So, did you create the script, or did somebody created and gave you the script?
No, no, I only created that script, sir.
Can you show me how did you create the script? Can you just show me a recording of it?
Yes, yes, sir. Can I record the,
Yeah, 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 yeah,
again,
yeah. Sure.
record the
Yeah,
script?
yeah. Mhm.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Meanwhile, Mano, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah, yeah, Mano.
See,
How are you?
yeah, my problem is here.
Mm-hmm.
See, I work with MNC company for the past 2.5 years. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
my project got over.
Mm-hmm.
They said they will ram down me. I mean the entire team.
Mm-hmm.
Now the MNC company is saying that we can put the internal
Wait,
internal.
just a moment. Niranjan, don't
So,
change anything like prefix. Can you go back to that screen thing back again? Go
screen,
back
sir.
to
Which,
the previous part where you made some changes. No, no, no. Go to the test plan creation. Yeah. Naming scheme. Go to the naming scheme.
prefix.
What did you change? Keep it as transaction name.
Prefix. Okay.
Yeah. Now you can start.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Mano, go ahead, Mano. Sorry. Yeah, Mano, go ahead. Mano. Hello, Mano. Can you hear me? I think you're on mute or something. Yeah,
Yes,
Mano,
sir.
I can
Yes,
hear
sir.
you now. Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah.
My point is, I am unable to attend the interviews, sir. But I work
Mm-hmm.
from the real time to at 1 of year.
Okay.
But I cannot crack the interviews. Well, it is a external or internal. For
Mm-hmm.
internal, I did 1 or 2 rounds. Okay. In
Mm-hmm.
those, I know the answers, but I will say like only one word answers, like one, not the full sentence. That is my issue.
Mm-hmm.
Then how can I overcome this?
One
See,
thing
I know the
is
answer.
practice, because by practice you can very well master this skill. Because yeah,
Hmm.
see, we all know we are all very good in doing the work. Like somebody will take 30 minutes to complete a task, somebody will take 1 hour to complete it. But few of us, I mean, like most of us, I would say, even it is with me as well. So we actually have a little bit of issues when it comes to interview, because we know a lot of things. So when we are trying to bring it all at to one point of time, and when we are trying to converge it, so the best thing is like how well we present it, right? So it's all about the presentation part. So what we can do is, Ganesh, if you're okay, we can have a separate sessions for you, where we can have multiple rounds of questions. I mean, I'm having separate set of interview sessions for few of the other people, and they are like doing well. So maybe like we can have a like separate sessions. We can have like 30 minutes a day or something like that, so that we can keep this as a practice. Uh, it will help you to face your the interview questions very easy, and we can also, meanwhile, you can also increase your performance testing knowledge in terms of how you are going to match it up
Yeah.
with your interviews, right? Okay, Ganesh. Sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
Sure.
Manoj. Yeah.
So yeah, just DM me. We'll just catch up. Okay.
Okay. How can I contact? Can I
Uh,
message in the group?
yeah, you can message. You can take my number. It's Vasant. Vasant is my name. You can take it from there, and then you
Yeah.
can message me.
I
Yep.
will. I will
Yeah, you can.
personally
Yeah,
message.
yeah. Sure. DM me. Yeah,
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
yeah. Thank you. Yeah. And sorry, I think Niranjan, right?
Sir,
I really don't understand what you're doing. Seriously, is this how you do your scripting?
yes, sir.
Okay, no, you're not supposed to do like this. Okay, let me just quickly share my screen. Okay, this is not the way to do. Actually, I have created several videos for this. Have you watched any of that videos? Did you find
Uh,
anywhere I'm doing like this?
no, no, sir.
Then why are you following this one? And if that's also not working, right? Why are you following that same path, which is again and again not working thing? I have, sorry to say, but I have like several videos, especially for creating a script. If you have watched one of the video, you know how to do that.
Okay. So can you share me that videos, sir?
Yeah, I'll share the link. I'll share the link in the group. But yeah, I don't know where did you come up with this concept of recording the scripts. But I'm really sorry. I mean, this is how it won't work this way. Okay,
Okay, sir.
please do follow the right approach, because that will help you. It's like you're taking a wrong route to some place and you wanted to go to a right place. It won't happen. So yeah, I can stop sharing, and I'll just share you the link. Please go through that.
Yes,
It'll
yes.
definitely help you. And so, are you someone who is working on JMeter, or like, is that something you're in your company working on? Like, what's your background? Sorry.
Actually, currently I'm working in federal bank projects, sir, in
Mm-hmm,
Kerala location, Kochi.
okay.
For sometimes I'm getting stuck with that in real time. That is the reason I am practicing that scripts in my
Mm,
personal
mm,
laptop. This
mm.
is my local
Okay.
machine.
Got it. Fine. So let me show you, like, just quickly. Let me show you how to do that. Let me quickly share my screen, just for your knowledge. But
Yes,
yeah, again, I told you I have several videos I have created, but just go through that. It's so simple, actually. It's very simple than what you do now, right? Uh,
yes, yes.
Jupyter, Bin. And I believe you're having your correct setup. Like, which version are you using?
5.6.3, sir.
Three, right? Oh, okay, got it. Let me quickly share my screen. Screen. Just let me know if you can see my screen. Can I see your screen?
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay,
seeing
okay,
your screens.
okay. So I'm also using the JMeter 5.603. That's the latest version. And
Okay.
as you have used, yeah, the same way I've used the Firefox. And before we start, so always make sure that you're having your proxy set up
Proxy
properly.
setting. Yes.
Yeah, and yep. So those things are right, but the
Yes,
way
sir.
the recording has to be quite different. Yep. Let me just get it. Yep. So like you have chosen the right one, that is going to templates and choosing the recording. Yes, that's right. Click on
Yes,
create.
sir. Same
That's
thing.
fine.
Yes.
And yeah, this one, yep, enable it. And don't make any changes so far. Like, I haven't done not made any changes, but click on start. So that will actually check your root certificate. And then
Okay.
yeah, and I believe you have your uh, root certificate set up for one year. So if not, there's another video where you can set your root certificate for 1 year,
Sure.
so that you don't need to
I-
make the changes again and again. Yeah. So
Okay.
coming back to this one, so I'm going to make my first transaction. So don't change it there inside your script. Instead, you can change it here. So for example, like zero landing page, and this will actually get your sorry get your transaction. So pet store, it's working, and then click enter the store, clicking on enter the store. And always make sure you are using the right name so that everybody can understand like
Okay.
what are you,
I understand. I
which transaction
understand.
are you doing. Yeah. Then click on sign in, and then I'm not sure whether I
Login.
still have that login. Okay, I know it should be removed by now. Fine. So let me just stop. So coming back to JMeter, I think it should be created by now. Yep. So I have it, and yep, I don't think we need all these. Just make sure you always remove your unwanted or
Unwanted
excluded thing.
URLs.
Yeah, and there is one more video. I think some of you might know. There's one video where I have created a video for excluding the unwanted URL. So any URLs other than your application will be removed. Okay, there is a
Okay.
separate video for that as well. So if you get it, I can actually share you in the group as well. That will be more
Okay.
helpful because you don't need to manually remove the URLs every time. Instead, it will be removed by the moment you complete them.
Okay.
And I remove this one. Pet store. Pet store is fine. And then pet store. Pet store. Okay. So now when I save, okay, let me just run it and show. So when I run it, already existing
Yes.
file, view results tree. See, it's working fine, right? So please
Yes,
try
sir.
to follow the same way. It should work. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. I think okay. Just try that and let me know if you have any other issues, right?
Okay.
And
Okay,
yep.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Not a problem. Not a problem. And yeah. So any other part, guys? I think we have got to know about what Ganesh has faced and what I think Niranjan, right? Yeah. So any other issues you would want to discuss or do you want to understand, like, or do you feel like okay, I need to understand something and can you just help me with that part? So is there anything that I can help you today in the call?
So the thing is, theoretically, everything I am okay, sir. I have cleared the all rounds of technical interviews.
Hmm, hmm.
So in practical time, I have suffered at the time in real time projects. I have joined in more than before 6 months before I joined in Federal Bank project.
Okay.
Starting that,
Yeah.
I have struggled, lot of struggles, sir.
Hey, it happens, Niranjan. See, it happens for everybody because you are in a new. See, like you said, you joined just 6 months back, right? And you are in a new place. So the way the company works, the way the organization works, the way the tool works, everything is going to be a different one. Yep. So I think everybody would agree with that point. 6 months is actually too early, I would say. But uh, going forward, if you were, but I think from your day one to today, I think you must have learned a lot of things, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's a progress. So going forward, you'll slowly learn, you'll slowly understand more things. Like, but the thing
Okay,
is,
sir.
like, please follow the right track. Like,
Yes, yes, sir.
please use the right techniques and approaches. So that's why I've made like more number of videos. Just watch them. In all of those videos,
Okay,
I
sir.
have told you like what is the right way to approach the performance testing and the performance engineering, whatever the approaches in terms of the tool, in terms of the techniques.
Yes, yes. In the sense, last time also, last week, I cleared Capgemini all two technical rounds.
Hmm,
But
hmm.
in that, I have one issue, sir, for PF issue. That is the
Okay.
reason they have rejected.
Okay, okay. I think that's a HR related issue. I can't help you. But yeah, still technical was, yeah, I can help you, but I think that's more of a PF
Technically,
is, yeah.
everything I'm practiced.
Okay,
Theoretically,
okay.
I watched your videos, sir. That is the reason
Hmm.
I have cleared the interviews.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Ganesh.
Thanks.
Thanks for that kind words. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. Sorry. Yeah. And is there any other thing to add? Uh, I could see Ayappa, Hari Krishna, Muthu. Is there anything that I can help you in this call, or we can sign
Sir,
off?
is
What
there
to
any
do?
Infosys guys are there? Is there any Infosys guys are there in this chat?
Any info, guys?
Info guys.
You want to know any information or something?
Yeah, just try to connect with them just from the PD related things.
Okay, I'm not sure anybody is there.
Okay, sir.
Sure. Um,
One of my friend is working in Infosys, sir, in Hyderabad location.
okay, okay. Maybe, yeah, Mano, maybe you can reach out to Niranjan and get his
Niranjan,
contact. Yeah.
Yes.
okay, Niranjan. Your name in the group
Yeah, he's
SAR
in the
group.
group. He's in the
Okay,
group. Yeah.
okay.
And yep, is there any other thing that we can? And how about my videos? Like, do you think that I need to create, or do you find some other concepts that need to be discussed? Is there anything that I can add? Because I have got some questions. I mean, I got some topics to add. But apart from that, do you think that okay, so this needs to be discussed or something like that?
So ISO related idea about sir, ISO message related through JMeter or UPI payments related
Hmm.
ISO message no for ISO 8583 sampler is there no sir.
Okay, let me just note it down. If possible, I can. What was the ISO
8583 sampler ISO that
sampler?
related.
Okay, okay, okay. So you're using that sampler to do all your executions, is that right?
Yes, yes, sir. Before I have used that connector services in that
Okay.
UPI balance and related. As of now,
Okay.
they have raised that concern in through ISO related messages, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I tried it, but it is not successfully executed.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure. So what kind of blockers do you face? So when you say it's not successful, were you able to record it successfully, or is that during your replay?
We are giving the only like we have to add the thread group under thread group ASO 8583 sampler connection configuration to files is there, sir.
Mm-hmm.
That files we have entered some field values, ISO message 128 field values.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
These things I configured in the ISO 8583 sampler connection configuration details,
Okay.
port
Okay.
number, server name. This
Mm-hmm.
all details I was given that, but in that response we are not getting proper response, sir. Timeout these things I am getting.
Okay.
If I have tried in Google, I am not able to identify that error.
Okay. See, not many of the organizations use that kind of sampler, so that's the reason you don't find much of support from them. But yeah,
Yes,
maybe
yes, sir.
maybe let me check if I can find anything. I'll definitely help you on that part.
Okay, sir. Infosys team was suggested to that bank team, sir, to
Oh,
try with
okay.
the ISO message related.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Sure. Sure. Then. Okay. Okay. I don't find any other questions from any of you. Fine. So let's just sign off, and we'll catch up same time next week. And thank you, everyone. Same
Thank you,
time.
sir.
If you have any questions, we'll discuss that in the next week call. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Niranjan, I ping you. Just you can reply me. I don't know
Yes, yes.
your name in.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining the call. Take
Thank
care.
you, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.